Well, we're going to get started. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Yeah, that was. You guys are getting coffee out there. You should be good. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. So, good morning. My name is Trish Christensen. I'm President and CEO of the Modesto Chamber of Commerce, and we're here to not only acknowledge a new member, but grand opening day. As soon as we wrap up here, they're going to begin to see patients. So we are here today to celebrate Modern Urgent Care and their second location in our community. They also have a location in Ceres. The company first opened in 2015, and today, September 4th, 2024, is the grand opening of their Modesto location. They currently have 10 employees per location, and they have a unique focus on, I thought he was going to ring the bell, have their own focus on how they're wanting to serve the community through medicine. Their primary objective is to alleviate the strain on overcrowded emergency departments and to offer an alternative for patients who are unable to secure timely appointments with their primary care providers. At Modern Urgent Care, we offer a comprehensive range of urgent care services addressing all medical needs short of those requiring emergent radiological intervention or complex laboratory testing. So they're here to serve a community in a pocket of town that needs easy access to those services. So we're happy to be a part of this with you. I'd like to invite up Dr. Wesley to join me if I could, and then talk a little bit about bringing your second location here and any of your team to it.
Well, first of all, thank you all for coming. We're very happy that you want to share with this great grand opening. Most of you have known AJ and Ann and I for some time, and you know that our commitment is to, try and bring medical care to the communities that we're involved in. AJ's family is from Ceres. We started there and expanded since there, several locations, and we just want to continue to provide quality health care to those that need it. And our background in the emergency room has taught us many things, and one thing we learned that oftentimes waiting in an emergency room for hours is not probably the best thing for the patient, and so we're trying to expedite care and try and provide that care to local communities. Anyway, our group has many parts and many people involved, and it's definitely a group effort, and I'm just so proud of all the people involved that we've had to contribute to our efforts. But I'd like to call AJ, maybe Annie up to say a few words too, but we want to thank you for coming and thank you for participating in this fantastic day.
All right. I just want to thank everybody for being here. Our mission was, when we were in the ER, to just try to help the community in every which way that we could, and we started to realize quickly that 80–90% of the patients that come to the ER don't necessarily need emergency care. And so just on a whim, we just came together and said, let's open one clinic, and here we are 9 years later, and it's blown up to 4 locations, and it's all because we believe in the mission of providing efficient, effective, and accessible healthcare by emergency trained providers to the community. And just that simple mission has gotten us to this point. And with the help of great guidance by Dr. Wesley, by the provider group that half of them still work in your local emergency rooms, coming together and coming to the community directly to help. And with the support staff and with Ann's help, even with my parents' help, just everybody kind of coming together collectively and contributing has gotten us here. So I just want to thank everybody for making this happen. Without you, it wouldn't have been possible, and we'll just continue believing in our mission and expanding as the community needs us to. So thank you again for joining us, and I appreciate your time. Well, there's Ann. We could just, I don't know if she wants to say anything, but I think more so she wants to play her part, which is just kind of being in the back and just kind of continue working.
Maybe before Ann speaks, I was going to say, our our sort of mantra has been that we're there to serve and work hard. And if there's anybody that has served and worked hard for this organization, it's Ann. So if there's any one person that we can give the credit for things, the way they've continued to blossom and keep us focused on our goal is to serve others, because that is really, the goal of all of us. It's to serve others in our community and to serve others around us. But Ann is the main, even though she doesn't want to admit it, the main cog in our wheel, so to speak.
Baby.
I am not a speech person, so I appreciate all the compliments, but it really all goes back to the team. They make my job the easiest in the world, because basically I'm just saying like, hey, how are you guys doing? Good? Okay, all right, sounds good. But yeah, we're very excited to open our 4th location, and we appreciate everyone that came out today. Thank you so much.
Need for you to stay here together. We're going to do the presentations. Gavin, would you like to join us?
Thank you.
Well, thank you, everybody. My name is Gavin Klein. I have the privilege of representing Congressman John DeWorte, and it's truly an honor to be here today for your guys' grand opening ribbon cutting ceremony. I really want to thank you for bringing quality medical service to the county of Stanislaus County and the citizens and community of Modesto. This is really important to have, and we really appreciate it. Thank you guys for bringing these services to our community. And on behalf of Congressman John DeWorte and the United States Congress, I want to congratulate you and wish you the best continued success. Congratulations.
Thank
Nice to meet you again.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Patrick Shields. I have the honor and privilege of being the field representative and assistant to Chairman Manny Graywell of the Stanislaus County Board of Supervisors. It's kind of funny, AJ, I don't know if you know this, but I think you know my father, Shields Glass, Mark Shields.
Oh yeah.
So that's funny. As I was walking in here, we were talking, I was like, this sounds like an AJ I know. So it sounds really familiar. But congratulations, guys, on another opening. One of the biggest things that Supervisor Graywell harps on is access to care, right? It's huge in the Central Valley, it's huge in Modesto and Stanislaus County. We're really lucky to have members of our community who step up and who invest their time, their money, their talents into urgent cares like this that help provide services for a lot of members of our community, right? And so I know personally, my wife and I, we take advantage of urgent care anytime we can. It's a lot easier than getting a primary care physician appointment and things like that, and a lot more timely. So thank you so much for providing that care. Thank you so much for providing care in Stanislaus County and choosing this area of Modesto and Empire and Ceres. I mean, you're right here in a location that's going to be extremely valuable to this community. So thank you so much for doing that. Congratulations and best success on everything moving forward, guys.
Yes, thank you.
Hiya, my name is Riley, and it's my honor and privilege to present this award to Modesto Urgent Care. I wanted to just say, as a patient and as a mom, I can really appreciate the job that you do in alleviating wait times. Sometimes it's something where you don't want to wait 3 months to see your doctor, those wait times. And other times you've got maybe a stitch in your finger that needs to happen really quickly, but it's going to be a 7-hour wait in the emergency room because of triage. These guys are the ones that alleviate the pain of our families and the stress of having to wait. When you come to an urgent care like this, you get access to quality healthcare professionals in a timely manner who can diagnose your issue and then provide treatment options right on the spot. So I'm really glad that you've opened up this fourth location. Congratulations. So on behalf of Minnesota Chamber of Commerce.
Thank you very much.
Wrap up here and just say, I happen to know someone in Powell, Mr. Mazzacari back there, is who brought this from an auto shop into a medical care facility, and I think you did a beautiful job. Thank you for your vision on this. Looks like you guys are locked, loaded, and ready to see patients, and so it's a privilege and an honor to welcome you to the Modesto Chamber of Commerce family and be a part of your grand opening day. Thank you so much for including us.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so what